Good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we have discussed how to produce a rotating magnetic field. In this lecture, we will discuss the speed of rotating magnetic field. So, the speed of rotating magnetic field, there is a fixed relation between the speed of rotating magnetic field n rpm, then the supply frequency f hertz, and the number of poles of a stator. Okay, so what is this fixed relation? The fixed relation ns is equals to 120 f by p. So for a standard frequency f, whatever the value of ns we have got, that ns is called as the synchronous speed, and that is the speed of rotating magnetic field. Okay, so in this formula, f is our standard frequency and p is the number of poles. So for India, we have standard frequency f is equals to 50 hertz. If I say I have number of poles as of 4, so my ns is equals to 120 f, frequency is 50 and number of poles are 4. So if you solve this, you will got your ns as 1500 rpm. Similarly, your ns for p is equals to 2. Now replace this 4 with the 2. So you will got your ns as 3000 rpm. Similarly, for p is equals to 6, you will got ns is equals to 1000 rpm. And for p is equals to 8, you will got ns as 750 rpm. So these are some standard values of synchronous speed for a number of poles that you have to by heart. Now after the speed of rotating magnetic field, we have to determine the direction of rotating magnetic field. Now for the direction of rotating magnetic field, the direction of rotating magnetic field is always from the axis of leading phase. Now here R is the leading phase. From the leading phase of the three-phase winding towards the lagging phase of the winding. In a phase sequence RYB, we have this phase sequence R, Y and B here. Okay, so R phase is leading Y phase by 120 degree and Y phase is leading B phase by 120 degree. So axis of phi t will move from R phase to Y phase and Y phase to B phase. So in this manner, in clockwise manner. Okay, so this will be the direction of rotating magnetic field. If we want to reverse the direction of rotating magnetic field, we have to interchange any two phases of this winding. Suppose I am interchanging Y and B phase. Now I am connecting Y phase of the winding to the B phase of supply, and I am connecting B phase of the winding to the Y phase of the supply. So what will happen? B phase will be after R phase because B phase is connected to Y of the supply. So then R is the leading as it is. Then after R there will be B phase and after B there will be Y phase. So in this case the direction of a rotating magnetic field will be like this. After R phase there will be B phase and after B phase there will be Y phase. So direction of rotating magnetic field is now in this manner, in a anti-clockwise manner. Okay, so your phi t will move from anti-clockwise manner like this. Okay, so in a first case when we have RYB sequence with the supply, then the direction will be clockwise. When we are reversing any two phases of the winding with respect to supply, then the direction will be reverse. We can also replace R and Y or R and B to reverse the direction of magnetic field. So thank you very much.